Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to cancel your subscription with RenderNet. In order to do so, first off, if you are on app.rendernet.ai, then you should be met with a screen similar to this. What you're looking for is up at the top right hand corner. You'll find your account icon there. If you click on that, then from here you're going to select Account. On the account page, you'll find a big green button that says Upgrade Plan if you're on the free plan. If you click on that, then it'll bring you to the subscription page, and you'll see here that you can subscribe to a variety of options. Currently, it says current plan on the free plan. So what will happen is if you subscribe to any of these other options and you want to revert to the free plan, then you'll just select that from the list there. Right now, it's not lit up because that is the current plan, but if you were to select one of the others, then that would light up, and then you could select that to cancel your subscription. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.